Ron28 here with another part and or episode of creating a Lego creator. Now, as you might have heard, I just tapped my watch here because it also has a stopwatch. And as you might have seen in the introduction, I want to make it so these are like half an hour to an hour episode. So I want to have something constantly reminding me how much time has passed since I started one of these parts. Anyway, moving on from that, let's keep going. We have a special thing for you today. Step 9 is going to introduce sub-steps, which is like where you create something, put something together, and then put onto the larger thing that you're doing. So let's get to it. Just push down the camera a little bit here. A little bit. Okay. Now you can see what we're doing here. I have all the pieces ready for you just to save time. Let's do this. So, first sub-step is this. So we have this, and there, like that. And we're going to put that, apparently, right over here. Like that. Huh. Yes. Perhaps I should move this around a little bit. There. Should be able to see a lot better now. Okay. So put that there. And then we put this there. I think. Yes. I think. Yeah, it looks that way. Put that there. Okay. And then one of these 3 pieces here. Put there behind it. And then take one of these 3 ones and put there. And, okay. So keep going. Yeah. And take one of these longer pieces we pulled out of the bags and put there. And another one. And there. Yeah. And that. Put there. And then this one. And then, ooh, it's a long one. Like so. Okay, and that's the end of that step. Next up we have, oh geez. Okay. So, this one calls for 27 of these little guys. So that's the first one. Oh, it also calls for 3 long versions of this. So we're going to need to get that as well. For now, let's get 27 of these, I think. Yes. Let's see, so that's 3. We have that's 6 there. And then hold on a sec. So 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 there. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, there's a 3 long, 18, that was 19, 20, 21, let's see here. Huh, there's more in here. 2. 3. That's 4. And where's that number 5? Ah, yeah, it is, I think. Yep, number 5. So, let's see what happens now. So over here we have, here's what's gonna happen now. It's gonna be fun. Watch this. So, first of all, we use this 3 long piece, put it over here. Yeah. Now we take the other 27 2 long pieces and put them along, like so. So, just all along. I think, actually I might have 28 of these, but I think I might have lost count, you know. That's okay though, nothing wrong with that. Besides, we're going to need more of them anyway, so it's good to have an extra one, just in case. Yeah, remember, this is a building video. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, so I think these are all going to be needed. It's going to be along, and now that we come up to there, we probably just push this over and make it look like that. There. So that's where we are right now. Alright. And oh. Okay. So oh. Okay. So these 5 pieces are apparently going to go on top of the brown ones we put on the last part. So, there, and I'm going to try to show you can see it here. Yeah, right there. And then, well, and like that. So that's what those are for. I was a little confused there for a second because I wasn't sure what they were for. But now I figured it out. That was good. Yeah. So let's keep going with these 2 long things. Let's see. And then, oh, this is going to be long, so I'm going to put it over here. So, let's see. Try and show you what I'm doing here, because I really like to do that. Okay, so we're going to go up to up there, I think. So let's do that now. So, oh, by the way, you might have seen me pull some stuff out of the green part in the last episode or part. Well, what that was popcorn. See, I'd had some last night, or the night before, and forgot to sweep up a little bit. But that's okay, I think. Okay. So, now do this. And there, and there. Now, is that all of it? Oh, no, forgot one. See, I knew it was probably gonna be 26, 27. Either way, that's okay. So I have another one. unfortunately. And that one is going to go over here, like so. Right, so that was step 10. Now step 11 is going to call for 34. Now those two long ones. Well, let's do this. See if I can find them all. There's a lot of these little things in here. And you're going to be surprised where they go. Okay, so we need 3 of these. And 34 of these. So, okay. I'm going to take them all out every time I find one. So that's 2 and 3. So that's 3 of these I need. So I don't need to take any more of those out. Now let's take the 2 long ones out. I'll count them anyway. So now we have 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, who am I kidding? Looks like it's gonna be all of them, so I'm gonna take them all out, maybe. You know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. Since there's so many of those, I'm just gonna start putting where all these are supposed to go, and we're gonna see what happens with them. Okay? Okay? Okay. So, what happens with these now is, I'm now supposed to take the 2 long ones and put them along over here. So, let's do so. So, okay, keep going along here, and okay. So this is gonna be quite a long stretch. So this will be fun. Yeah. So I don't know anyone who's actually watching right now, or if anyone is actually watching. But if you are, good on you. Goes a long ways away. And we're only gonna stop putting these on when we're at the very end there. When there's like 2 left at the bottom over there. So, okay. So, now somebody said that there should be a bit more light in these videos, because actually had somebody comment on this. Let's see. So now, so now we can use one of these, like that. Lego displacer, where you can kind of use it to, I guess, separate, yeah, Lego separator, where you can use it to separate Lego pieces. I think it's going to be very useful if I make a mistake. So, now we're going to take this, just put it back in the bag for now. I don't need it at the moment. So, there you go. That's what I've done there. And now, okay. So, take this, that there, and then, oh, alright. So, alright, and these go along. Okay, I need 2 more of these. No, wait. So, you do that. So I need 2 more of these. So, let's go get. What is it? No. Right. So here we have, yeah, one of the ones we need, and another one. I think that might be it, actually. Well, guess we'll have to find out. Yeah, so put that there, and that there. That's a lot of pieces, eh? Well, okay. So next step. Oh geez. Well, this will be fun. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, let's keep going here. So the next step, so we need one of these, right? And, nope, turns out I was wrong. Seems there is another 2 wide long thing in here somewhere. Ah, there it is. So we need just one of those. And 2 of the 1 wide ones. Wow. This is gonna be fun, isn't it? Now, where was that? No. Okay. So. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna need a whole bunch of random pieces now. So we're gonna need, one sec. We need 2 of these. Yeah, 2 of those. Anything else we need in there? Oh yeah. We need 2 of these. Yeah. The brown ones. Yeah. There we go. And now we're gonna go and see what else we have here. So, see, I think it's gonna be the last too long, somewhat long one, which is good because I had quite the time trying to find the previous one. So I looked at all the bags with the mark 1 on it. It's not fun, I can tell you that right now. Let's see here. need 4 of these. Yeah. It's a 1, it's a 2, yeah, it's a 3, and come on, I can see you in there. Saw it. What is it? And there's a 4th one. So I have those. I just need the other ones. Okay. So. So now we need, I need 5 of the 3 long ones. These guys. That's 1. Oh, I also need one of these. That's still 1, 2, 3. Let's see here. Yeah. 4. There we are. And there's number 5. There's a couple more left in here. So we'll probably need it in a bit. For now, that's all of them that are in there. Okay, here's a 2 long one we needed. It's always good. Okay. And now, apparently, what we need to do is turn this around. But not before doing something over here. So let's do it. Oh, right, I forgot. So I need a flat one of... Okay, looks like we need a couple more things in here. Where are they? Should be in here, I think. So... Oh yeah, that's right. Still need those 1 long things. Not quite sure where they are, but find them soon, I'm sure. I mean, if I don't find them in here, I'll probably step on it and be like, hey, what's that thing? Like, oh, it's that. Right then. Let's see. So, let's see. Well, there's one of the 1 long things, which is good. I wanted to find that one. And here's the other one. That's always good. And, let's see. So, here's the 1 long one. Yep, so there's the 1. And the other one should be in here, I think. And, let's get this over here. By the way, I am keeping track of the time, because I don't want this to go on too long, because you have to remember, when these episodes are done, I gotta watch it back and make sure it's okay. So, that's the thing. Let's see. So, 4 long flat pieces, they don't seem to be in here anywhere. Which is unfortunate. Nope, not in there. Well, let's see if we can find in here? Oh, found one. One there. And the other one should be in here somewhere. Pour this all out all at once. But I'm pretty sure that would be a bad idea. Because if I did, then it would be hard to put it all back in. Is there really two in there? Well, let's do this anyway for now, and then at the very end we're gonna put it in. So right now over here we have. Okay, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. And this over there. Alright. And take this. And take the that. Like that. Ooh. Well, I don't know what that's for. I don't know yet. Excuse me. And then there you go. I think. Yes. Yes, that does look right. I think. So. Well, one last look. See if we can find that shorter one. No. Alright, that's it. It's down like here. I'm gonna see if we can find this elusive piece. I know it's in here somewhere. Ah, here it is. Okay, found it. Okay, finally we have all the pieces for this step. This is what I wanted. So that, and we put it in there. Like so. Okay, now the next part of this step, we're going to turn this around. Again. And you're gonna see some pretty crazy stuff happen. I think. Yes. So, first off, okay. So, I'm gonna start from over here, and we're going to, so we're gonna do that to start off, and put that in there. Okay. Now we're gonna put these on an angle. I think. Yes. I'm gonna put this an angle like so. Yeah, I think that should do it. And then I'm gonna go all along here. Yeah. So put these on an angle. I'm sure there's a reason for it, but I'm not sure what it is right yet. That's okay. So, yeah. And yeah. 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 That. And is it all along? Yeah, it's all along. So then, yeah. And up there. Yeah. Then we take this and put it over. Where are we putting it? I think we're putting it. Wait a minute. Let's see. I might have got this wrong. over. I'm just gonna take this. Okay, so just gotta move everything one over a little bit. Should be okay, I think. I mean, I definitely don't need to use that separator. I mean, not all that crazy, I don't think. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now it's closer to you, which I think is a good thing if you like watching what I'm doing here. Okay. So that should be right. And yeah, that looks alright. Let me put this there. Right, and oh, did I forgot these two things here. That's okay. Yeah, so these two we have now. Now we put this over here. I'm gonna take this and show you what I'm doing. Okay. And alright. So we take that, we put this there, and then alright. There. Perfect. Alright. The next step is going to be very interesting. Yeah, very interesting. Because now we gotta take a whole bunch of large pieces and get them. So let's do that right now. So, we need 3 of these pieces. Yeah, the long ones. Yep. Yep. All 3 accounted for. Always good. And I just need just one long ones. This one there. Yeah, just need one. And we need 2 of the 3 long ones. Yep. One. And where's the second one? There's the second one there. Alright. And okay, we need 3 of the slightly longer ones. Not 4, but I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the 6 long ones. Let's see if I can find all of them in here. Yeah, found them all. Now I just need 3 of the weird looking ones. Yeah. And the third one is there. And I think that's all of these pieces there. Right? Now we're gonna turn this around and we're gonna put them all along. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so watch this, watch this. So, I'm gonna take the long one here. I'm gonna push this to the side for now. So, like this. Like that. And then, other one. Like so. And then, other one. Yeah. Oh. Wait a minute. resistance to the Lego separator thing. I didn't think it would work, but there it is. Yep. So, yeah, I only found out. So let's put this over there. Let's see. So we're supposed to put there, there, and there. Right, right, right. There. So I only found out this was wrong because I see in the step I'm currently doing, I'm supposed to take what I have here and put some of this on there. I think. Yes. Oh, oops. Also just realized put this in the wrong spot. So, there we go. And then the smaller piece there. Alright. And another one. Right? And now we just gotta now I'm gonna turn this around again, show you what I'm doing, because that's the idea. I'm showing you what I'm doing. Otherwise it's just no fun, is it? Of course not. Let's see. So, okay. So, I'm gonna take this and put it there, I think. Yes. I'm gonna take this there. And, oh, now we have use for this thing. And I'm just gonna put the camera there so you can get in close and see what I'm doing here. And, right? Now, and put this, I think, there, I believe. Is that right? Sure looks right. Now I'm gonna put this over here. I think, nope. Almost. Nope, first we gotta take this and put it over here. I think. And then we put that there. Okay. So I know we haven't done all that much. Well, sort of. I mean, there's a lot of steps to this thing. But I think that's going to be enough for now because I'm looking at my stopwatch and it tells me that we're a little over 40 minutes. So, with that in mind, I hope you liked this part of creating a Lego Creator and that you come back again when I do another one. Until then, I will see you next time.